B, bubble. B, d, duck. D, egg. Egret. K, duck. K, swing. Tooth. Wombat. Egg. Giraffe. Sprouted. Felled. Kicked.
Ducks. The duck had laid 11 eggs. She entered her nest and settled for the evening. The eggs glistened like gems in the moon glow. She gathered the eggs together, guarded them, and covered them with down. The baby birds had an egg tooth on their beaks. Bit by bit, they broke through their eggs. The ducklings were feeling hungry. 2 hours after hatching, they were feeding. A hawk flew over. Cluck, 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 went a hen. The ducklings hid. The duck quacked back. Quack, quack. The ducklings grew up. They liked to dabble for food. The ducks chose drakes, and the drakes displayed to the ducks. Then they had ducklings of their own.